This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, 2011-2015 American model years, and if you need to replace the cabin air filter according to the service manual, service schedule in this car, you can do it on your own. So what you will need to do, you will need to open the glove box first. You will need to take out all the things. I will not do this because I will not change the filter, only show you the location and how to do that. And first of all, you want to deal with these holders. So this mechanism makes the glove box lower slowly. Yeah. So what you need to do, you need to take this plastic thing a little bit out. You see? For this, you will need to raise the glove box a little. It's not very convenient to do with one hand. So sorry for the shaking video. And then you just push it through the hole, and then you have holders on both sides. Here are the holders that don't allow the glove box to lower. I have only one left in this side, I don't have one. So in a lot of videos they show how you take them out, but actually you don't need to take them out. You need to just push the side wall of the glove box a little bit, and this holder will just remain there and you will not have any problems. Then you may just take the glove box out completely, because it holds on the plastic clips and nothing holds it anymore, and it makes it quite convenient to proceed. And here is the plastic lid for the filter, for the air filter, cabin air filter. The lock on this side, the lock on the upper side, and on that side. So there are 3 locks you will need to unlock. Let's look at it closer. So basically this is just plastic tongue holding the lid in place. And on the upper side you have a different type. You need to reach your finger to this plastic tongue and just take it out, and it's just opens. Here is the filter. I have the aftermarket filter, and it doesn't make any difference which way I insert it. So you just take this old filter out, clean this area because you see a lot of leaves here, a lot of dust, and insert the new filter. That's a simple cartridge filter. You just insert it, and then make sure you lock every single lock here, because you don't want any air leaks in this air filter box. So lock everything back, and then one thing to do is to install back the glove box. I repeat, you don't need to take it off, it's just I showed you how to do that. So before I put the glove box in its place, I need to take this thing out, because it's like a spring, so it will go back, and if you put the glove box back, you will not be able to reach to this tensioner. Yeah, so you will need to put the glove box back in its place, then raise it a little bit while still holding the thing, because it will go back. Raise a little bit the glove box in order to be able to insert this plastic thing in the hole, and then with your 2 hands, of course, in my case it's quite difficult, put it all back. And now everything works, and you have the new filter installed. That costs about $20 to $50 depending on the repair shop you choose. So actually that's a good thing to save some money.